Welcome back to my 25k Finding Talent Challenge. This is my journey. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Marcelino back with another video. Today we are feeling, I don't know how we're feeling, but anyway, we are here. So as you can see, I just got back from, not just got back, but an hour ago, got back from gym. Yeah, I was looking at the charts and I actually seen a GJ trade. The fucked up thing is that I couldn't take it because of my rules of taking 2 trades. However, today I do want to mention I took 3 trades, but I did not break my rules in the sense that I actually split my risk across 2 trades, or 3 trades. So my one was 0.5% risk, moving my stop loss to 0.25, and what happened was, obviously that's my one trade. Then my second trade, I actually split it up into 0.25 each, and then obviously just moving my stop loss to half. And unfortunately I lost the trades because of, I think it's more so kind of anticipating what would I call this, anticipating price to move in that direction, but then at the same time expecting a impulse move to happen. And that's not the way. Like my winning trades that I caught, when I went back to look over my winning trades that I caught, it wasn't trades like that, if I can say that. It wasn't, none of my trades was like that. All of my trades was 15-minute break above a key level or 30-minute break above a key level, and then anticipating that the next 15 minutes is going to break above. So the gold trade that I took today was kind of pure shite because there was multiple 15-minute wick rejections, and so that means that the 1 minute automatically is in a range, and I'm anticipating that once that range breaks, price is then going to move up, and clearly price did not move up. And that was this morning, way before that dip happened. So that dip happened while I was at gym. When I got back from gym, I was thinking, geez, the fuck happened here, you know what I mean? So like, yeah, but in terms of the equity curve, I'm down by less than, I think it's 0.6% today. So it was supposed to be 1%, but it's not 1%. That's based on the fact that yesterday only took, because I was in profit yesterday at the start of the day. So yeah, I'm down by 0.2 plus 0.5. It's supposed to be 0.7%, but it's 0.6%. That's what the Finding Talent portal's saying. So I'm not gonna run through my trades today, guys. As you can see, I'm still in gym clothes. I'm about to go cut my hair now. It's gonna be a busy day from now on, like for the rest of the day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload this video to YouTube, then I'm gonna go about my day. Hopefully I can do traders talk tonight when I come back, because I do have something to get off my chest. Yeah, otherwise, like how is your week been so far? Let me know in the comments. We're coming to a close of the week. I'm really thinking, I do want to put this out there, guys. I'm really thinking of, instead of adjusting my stop loss to half, because I'm seeing that I'm getting a ton of like stop loss hits. Although like last month it was way better, because I don't know, I wasn't taking as much stop losses when I was moving it to half. Now when I'm taking, like, obviously because last month I also didn't have that two trades a day rule. I was trading like 3 times a day max, so I've never really taken more than 3 trades a day really. But like now it's more so I'm hitting stop loss at half because the stops is so tight. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna actually trade with a 0.25 like risk, and then leave my stop loss at full, and then when we move to like certain areas in the market, then I can then adjust my stop, or even just leave it there, because until we have to go break even, me taking a break even doesn't really matter. I can take that, but taking like losses when price, like, yeah, it's yeah man, like bro, like it's, I don't know, I'm thinking, because a lot of times it comes to half and then it moves up, you know what I mean? So I'm thinking, especially in the morning times, like pre-London, a lot of times that will happen. So I'd rather take, like, if I can get to 2% using that, and then I can then adjust my stops to 0.5%. Then if I get to 4%, then I can adjust my stop loss to 1%. And yeah, if price do move in my direction and goes past 0.5%, that's when I will adjust my stop loss to 0.5 or half my stop loss. And I don't mind that, but like, it's more so when price just moves one candle up and then comes down and trickles down to 0.5%, and then after that 0.5% we shoot up and go to TP. So like, my thought process is, because clearly, like, I'm telling myself this is a safe stop loss. My initial stop loss is quite safe. So when price moves up, it moves in my direction. Then obviously price moves in impulses and corrections. So price moves in the impulse, then it corrects, and then it impulses. Now the correction sometimes comes back into 0.5% or half my stop loss, and then it takes me out. And then so now I'm thinking, like, just have a safe stop loss and then go for your 1 to 3s, 1 to 4s, 1 to 5s, and after a while you'll be able to see the consistent growth on the account, because it's pointless having a tight stop loss but then you're hitting stop loss all the time. So then what's the point of that, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna be testing that out from tomorrow going into next week, and then we'll see how we grow with that, because clearly, like, a lot of my like analysis in determining the direction of the market is correct. Like, when I hit the charts pre-London and I do my analysis at about 6:30, 6:45, and I determine the direction of the market, more likely than not the market moves in that direction. So like, what's the point of just place a safe stop loss and hold for your TP? If price goes till there, it goes till there. If it reaches half, take a certain percentage off to secure some money out of the market and then move on. That's my thought process for now. I'm just thinking of making money. I'm not trying to be like super like fidgety about everything. I just want to make money out of the market and then complete. Ultimately, the more you make money, the faster you're going to complete this challenge. So yeah guys, that's going to be the plan going into tomorrow, going into next week, just having a safer stop loss, and then also using like key areas in the market without being greedy. So I don't want to be going for 1 to 10s, even though a range allows me to go for 1 to 10. So that's going to be my process from now on. I'm just going to have safer stop losses, and then yeah guys, like, risk management obviously is going to be on point, because you know your boy is always thinking about risk management. I'm always like, the thing that's going to keep you in the game is risk management. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to control risk, we're going to have a safe stop loss, and then we're going to just go for TP. Yeah, so when I was trimming, I was thinking about this, like, why not just have a safer stop loss? Yes, you can move your stop loss to half, but move it to half when you feel like it's safer to move to half, or when price actually like tells you to move it to half. So yeah, so we're gonna lower our risk tomorrow to, instead of 0.5% when we're entering the trade, we're gonna be entering with 0.25%. And I know it's kind of like you letting go of so much reward, because at the end of the day, if I win one of those 0.5%, it's gonna erase like a lot of these losses that I'm getting. But what's more, like, what's better on my mental? That's what I'm asking myself. Like, is it better on your mental to win trades, like win 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s, 1 to 4s, and win multiple times, so more than 2, 3, 4 times in a row, and then build your account on those 0.25s to then get to a 0.5% and then to get to a 1% with safer stop losses, bear in mind? Or is it like, do you want to take loss, break even, and then one win that clears everything? I think I'd rather take wins, losses, and then the wins cover the losses and have a better effect on my brain, because I'm actually getting that wins more often than now when I'm not. Like, on average over the past 2 weeks, which was bad, right? If I had to just leave my stop loss at the original stop loss placement, I would have won more than 50% of those trades. So yeah guys, that's me. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below whatever you guys are, like, how the week went for you guys and what you guys think about safer stop losses and just being more conservative in the market in terms of like risk management and those type of things. At the end of the day, it's a business, guys. How do you plan your business? Would you want your business to boom immediately with the high risk of a failure rate, or do you rather take a conservative method of approaching the market or approaching your business and forming it in a way where you know that it's going to last longer for a longer period of time? What would you do? Would you rather be around for the next 5-10 years and start to build on that foundation, or would you go big, high risk for high reward? Let me know, high risk for high reward or consistent gains. Let me know in the comments down below what type of person you are, what type of business person you are. Yeah, from your boy Marcelino. Peace out.